Let me start by giving you our verdict. So when we talk about LLC business loans from Bank of America, there are a few things you need to really think about. Bank of America is basically the second largest bank in the United States, right? So they are a financial behemoth. They are everywhere. They're a colossus. And so given its large overall footprint, it has a robust offering for LLCs, for LPs, for all kinds of small businesses. And they do offer a constellation of business loans to choose from. Okay, and particularly notable are their specialized loans for healthcare practices, for LLCs, for specific industries, as well as the discounts and promotion that the institution, Bank of America, frequently offers to its preferred rewards members. So basically, the preferred rewards members, this program is a way for Bank of America to solidify its customer base, to reward those loyal customers, both business and individuals. So I want to quickly give you the pros and cons of Bank of America in general. And so this will help you sort of have a clear idea of whether or not you should actually seek an LLC business loan from Bank of America. So here are the pros. The bank is available in all 50 states. They're everywhere. They're a financial colossus. I've said that. They offer promotion, discounts, and competitive rates, especially for LLCs. They have lots of funding options, especially for LLCs in specific industries. They have a wide constellation of business lending products for LLCs and other businesses. Their products are available to help new businesses build credit and business history. So this is kind of cool. So you're talking about helping you build credit, but also operational history. We love that. And they have a relatively low minimum loan amounts compared to other large banks. Fantastic. And the rate or fee discounts are available for veterans or those with significant balances in Bank of America business checking accounts. So those are the pros. What about the cons? They actually do have here and there poor customer satisfaction ratings. They may take longer to process your LLC business loan than newer financial technology companies like fintech, such as Blue Vine, for example. And they don't offer merchant cash advances or invoice factoring. They're not really transparent about minimum credit score requirements or maximum rate charges. Okay, and they have significant fees on many LLC business lending products, and annual revenue requirements may be high for some new LLC business owners. I want to talk to you now about the audience. So when we talk about LLC business loans from Bank of America, who is the audience? By the way, welcome back to the show. Really, it's a pleasure to have you here into this conversation. We're just talking about LLC business loans from Bank of America. So who Bank of America is really for? So Bank of America is really great for LLC business owners who want to save money on interest. The reason is that BOA offers competitive business loan rates compared to many online or alternative small business lenders. That's for sure, hands down. Bank of America is really great for LLCs who are healthcare providers. So they do actually have several products for healthcare providers, and they even offer tailored mortgages for physicians. Fantastic. And so if you currently bank with Bank of America, this could be great for you. If you already have a relationship with them for your personal accounts and you want to stick with a company you're familiar with, they may be a good option for your Bank of America LLC business loan. So the company, the bank, offers relationship discounts if you already use them for your LLC business banking needs. Fantastic. Now, who Bank of America is not right for. So Bank of America may not be right for LLC business owners who value the best customer service. This is something that Bank of America has to work on. I mean, I'm not saying that they have crappy customer experience, but they have work to do. They know it. Okay. If you go online or you just like for the last 20 years, Bank of America has actually they have a lot of work to do. but they're getting there though. They're really getting there, and they're constantly kicking ass now in some geographies in the country. So we love to see that, but they still have work. They have a long road ahead. Okay, they're not really known for stellar customer service. Let me just put it this way. And if you're an LLC business owner who needs a merchant cash advance or invoice factoring arrangement, this is not something for you, because they don't offer that. Okay, they don't offer that. You see this a lot, this kind of products a lot with alternative LLC business lenders, but Bank of America does not offer them. So, and if you need that kind of service, you better go to a lender marketplace. Don't even go to don't go to an individual lender. Just go to a marketplace such as Lendio or NBC, National Business Capital, so that you can actually have access to, you can actually pitch, quote unquote, pitch to several lenders. This is better. Now let's talk about the loan products that Bank of America offers LLCs, okay? And what we love here is that they do offer a constellation of LLC business loans. So you have unsecured line of credit for your LLC. You have unsecured term loan for your LLC. You have a secured line of credit for your LLC. You have a secured term loan for your LLC. They offer a commercial real estate loan for your LLC. They have great equipment loans for LLCs. They have healthcare practice loans for LLCs that are actually structured as they're for physicians or clinics and whatnot that are structured as LLCs. So this is really important. They also offer US SBA loans for LLCs. So here you have it. You have a smorgasbord of business loans that Bank of America is providing to LLCs. The thing is not about the diversity of loans. It's about, first of all, can you get the best rates? Are you in a better position to get the best rates? If yes, which loans should you go for, and what are your needs? Because you don't just apply for any loan that you see at Bank of America. You have to actually, it has to fit whatever you're looking for, right? It has to be you have to be comfortable with that first. And what I want to say here is that in our experience, it's just a lot better to go to the nearest Bank of America branch and have a conversation before you start anything. Don't do things online. Don't apply for your LLC business loan online. There is a link on the internet that says apply now. You can actually, on Bank of America's page, they want you to apply online because it's faster for them, but it's not good for you. You are not going to get the loan amount that you need, no matter your credit score. No matter your credit score, we've tried it. We've tried this for many clients who are LLCs, who have LLCs, okay, and they have great credit scores, like 800 plus. But the thing is, if you apply online and you request, let's say, $250,000, the algorithm will give you 125, 150, if at all, or probably 75 grand. But if you apply at a branch, you can talk to a live person. You can actually, you can vocalize your intentions, your desires. So you do that, and you have a better chance of getting the loan amount that you need in the first place. Speaking about loan amounts, let's just talk about the LLC business loan details from Bank of America. By the way, I want to remind you of today's topic. What are we talking about? We are talking about LLC business loans from Bank of America. I'm just giving you a rundown. I'm giving you all the tips and tricks that you need to have so that you are clear about what you need to do. So loan details here. So when we talk about loan details, I spoke to you about the fact that Bank of America they actually offer LLC unsecured business line of credit. And here, the credit amount starts at $10,000. The APR starts at 4.5%. So here, this is a revolving line of credit. Okay, so $10,000, that's the minimum. That's the minimum amount. And the terms, this is revolving with annual renewal. And the repayment schedules is monthly. So Bank of America does not wait for you to. They don't have like a draw period and the repayment period. No. They want you to pay as you go. That's how they love. And this product is available in every state, not a problem. Okay. There are fees though. There is a renewal fee. There is a late fee, a return payment fee, and international fee also. And the funding speeds go from the speed goes from 1 to 4 business days. And then you have unsecured term loan for your LLC. This is really important to actually to mention. So for your unsecured business loan, business term loan, here the loan amount goes from $10,000 to $100,000. The APR starts at 4.75%. The terms, you're looking at 1 year to 5 years, 12 to 60 months. The repayment schedule is monthly. And in terms of fees, you have $150 origination fee, late fees, and return payment fee. And this product is available in every state. The funding speed varies. And then you have a secured line of credit for your LLC. So here, the credit amount starts at $25,000. The APR starts at 3.75%. You have renewal with annual. You have the terms. You have revolving with annual renewal, and the repayment schedule is monthly. Okay, so the late fees vary according to the amount of the transaction, and you have a secure term loan. And so basically, for secure term loan, the loan amount starts at $25,000. The APR starts at around 4%. Okay, and so the terms up to 4 years when secured with business assets, up to 5 years when secured by CDs. The repayment schedule is monthly. Okay, and with fees, you have origination fees and late fees. And this product is available in all 50 states. I want to talk to you now about commercial real estate loans for your LLCs that are offered by Bank of America. Here we are speaking about, so this is kind of cool if you need to purchase new property or upgrade your existing LLC business footprint. Bank of America has a lot of real estate loan options for you. Now, for the commercial real estate loan, you have this starts at $25,000. That's for the loan amount. The APR 3%. That's the starting number. In terms, up to 10 years with balloon payments or up to 15 years with full amortization. So this is kind of cool. And the repayment schedule is monthly. And this product is available in every state. In terms of fees, you have an origination fee of 0.75% of the amount financed, late fees, and prepayment penalties. And this product, I just said it, it's available in all 50 states. In terms of funding speed, it really kind of depends, but usually 1 to 7 days, they can really close the deal here. Then you have equipment loans. Okay, here you have a loan that starts at $25,000, and the APR 3%, and the terms up to 5 years when secured with business assets, and you have to repay this every month. There's the fee of 0.5% in terms of origination. All right, and so it's available in every state, by the way. So this is really good. And the funding speed really varies. So this is kind of fine. And you also have a healthcare practice loans. Here you're looking at loan amounts that go from $100,000 to $5 million, depending on the loan type. And the APR is not disclosed here. And terms up to 15 years. And so this product also is available in every state, not a problem. And then you have SBA loans for your LLCs also. So your LLC can actually get an SBA loan through Bank of America. Here the loan amounts goes from $25,000 to $5 million. And the APR will vary based on the type of SBA loan. And the terms up to 7 years for working capital or inventory, up to 10 years for equipment, and up to 25 years for real estate. So this is something you need to think about, right? And the repayment schedule can be as low as 10%. And the fees, do you have fees on a monthly basis? And this product is available in every state. Let me talk to you now about eligibility. So when we talk about LLC business loans from Bank of America, you need to fit a certain list of criteria, right, to qualify. But there are 3 that Bank of America really pays attention to. Really 3. So they pay attention to your personal credit score and or business credit score. So your LLC better have a good paydex score, because they will look at they will look at they love to look at, when it comes to business credit, they love to look at SBFE first, the Small Business Financial Exchange, and then they start looking at your Dun and Bradstreet, your Experian, and your Equifax. And if you want to qualify faster for a Bank of America LLC business loan, you better have at least 80 to 85 for your LLC business beta score. This is actually a harbinger, if you will, of a great financial responsibility, at least in the eyes of Bank of America. That's how they see things. That's how they analyze things. That's for the business credit score part, right? Also, now when it comes to the personal credit score, if you are around 550, 600 minimum, that's kind of fine. The thing with eligibility, and they don't say this, is that you want to have a relationship with Bank of America. You want to have, like, the longer you have a relationship with them, the better your chances of being approved, even if you have bad credit. This is how powerful a relationship is. Okay, because Bank of America, they will look at a constellation of factors to actually see if you are, quote unquote, a good candidate for their business loan for LLCs. So they also look at time in business. So for most of Bank of America's LLC business loans, you'll need to have been in business for at least 2 years. Okay, if you are a newer business, if you're a newer LLC business, you may need to wait or seek out alternative small business funding options. However, if you have a strong relationship, going back to the relationship, if you have, we call it MPR, multi-product relationship. If you have that strong relationship with Bank of America, chances are they might actually look at the totality of factors you bring to the table, and they might approve you. We actually have business clients who have been approved time and again by Bank of America because they are part of the preferred rewards program. They have a consequential deposit with Bank of America. Okay, they're doing big. Even though they have bad credit, they still qualify. Bad credit, both business and personal wise. And personally, they still qualify for business loans. And also your annual revenue, that's important. Bank of America wants your LLC to make at least $100,000 to qualify. But again, there are ways to bypass that criterion also. Let me talk to you about the application. So if you want to apply for an LLC business loan from Bank of America, there are things you need to pay attention to, okay? And we think that it's just a lot better, and I've made this point on various shows, that when it comes to application, business loan application, personal loan application, business line of credit application, any type of business application for your LLCs or a regular business, you want to do things at the branch. You want to have a conversation with the branch manager or the deputy manager or someone in the loan department, somebody who really understands the specific product you're about to apply for. And this is kind of important because you want to collect intel. We've said this before. It's not something that you just don't go to have a conversation or just get to hang out with them, quote unquote, hang out with them. No, you are trying to see whether or not you could be approved, right? And it is legal to collect data, to ask questions. And if you don't ask questions, you're not getting answers. You need to ask questions so that people are, if you're lucky to get the answers, then wow, okay, this is how things works. And this is how things work. The thing I want to say here is that Bank of America still needs to work on their customer service. But the customer service I was talking about, that's the online customer service. That's the phone service. That's the 1-800 number. But if you go to a branch, you have a conversation with someone, they are better. You have better professionals. They are more courteous. They are friendlier. Okay, they will work with you. They will answer all questions that you have. Please just make sure, though, because if you want respect, you got to give respect. So dress well before going to a branch. Okay, don't go don't go as if like you just went to a happy hour, the same happy hour I was at yesterday or 2 days ago. No. You want to dress well, you want to be presentable, and you want to actually you have to talk to the loan rep as somebody who owns an LLC. okay, because you own an LLC, and that you are about to get something that's consequential for your company. Okay, very important to be presentable. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. I was just talking to you today about LLC business loans from Bank of America, and I gave you our verdict to start with. And I spoke about the audience, the loan products, the loan details, the different types of loans they have. Okay, unsecured line of credit, unsecured term loan, secured line of credit, secured term loan, commercial real estate loans, equipment loans, healthcare practice loans, and SBA loans. I spoke about eligibility, so personal credit score, time in business, annual revenue. I spoke about the application, and I'm currently giving you a full recap of the conversation. Thank you. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.